Cality here. Today I have a new Ethernet switch. Now that I have faster internet and stuff, I want to be able to hook up other computers and my server and everything and not run everything directly off my modem. I bought it on Amazon. I guess I don't know if it's actually on sale, but $30. $30 for a gigabit switch, or gigabit switch made by D-Link. Just want to open up and see what's going on with it. What do you get for $30? I think I just went with this one because I don't know. It was $30. 1 day shipping. That's pretty much a good selling point, isn't it? Yeah, stuff stuck in here. So, quick install guide, warranty, power cord, and oh sweet! See, that's stuff you don't usually see a whole lot. That's great. It comes with mounting stuff, so you can mount it directly into a wall. It comes with screws, stuff to put in like the sheetrock and whatnot, or double-sided tape, or it looks like that's just feet for it, but dang, that's actually pretty sweet. It comes with mounting stuff. And you get, oh, there's a ground in the back? You get one switch. 8 ports, unmanaged, model number. It's like the higher end one, I think, I guess, of their model line for it, but there's your, if you want to mount it, screws. Very cool, man. I love that it comes with the thing. Metal housing, plug your power in. Yeah, these things are really basic, but nothing really fancy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this and see how she runs. And I mean, not like it can really do anything as long as I get the advertised speeds out of the box. That's all I really ask. Alright, well, I apologize for the background noise, but I installed my D-Link switch. It is running. As you can see, I got my new Dan Yee cable in there too. This thing auto-configured itself. My server wall mount is taking use of that new Dan Yee cable. And as you can see, both green lights are lit. And I don't know if you can see it here, but the green means 1000 meg, so gigabit. We are good. It is running perfectly. 1 gig speeds, even though I don't have it. I'm just under halfway there. But yeah, good to go. Thanks for watching my video. All good.